probably happy that your implementation project is coming to an end. However, this does not mean your job with ISO 27001 is finished. That's because your documents will eventually become outdated. Some incidents will probably occur that you will need to respond to. Internal audits will find many nonconformities that need to be resolved, and so on. The point is, the information security management system you created is similar to a very fine machine, and you need to maintain it continuously if you want to remain compliant. This maintenance will become even more important if your company gets certified, because the certification body will perform surveillance audits at least once a year, where they will check if the system is managed properly, much like they will have done at the initial certification audit. If they find that you are not maintaining the system, you might get a major nonconformity and lose your certificate. The maintenance of the ISMS includes, among other things, the following: document updates, risk reviews, regular performance of security awareness and training, recording and resolving incidents, performing internal audits and management reviews, recording nonconformities, resolving corrective actions, measuring if you fulfilled your objectives, and so on. Conformio will remind you of each of these maintenance activities and will automatically provide links to appropriate documents, tasks, modules, and registers to help you perform them with minimal effort. This maintenance might seem like unnecessary overhead, but in reality, if you start doing all of these activities, they will in fact help you resolve many security issues in a very systematic way. As a consequence, you'll see that the number of security incidents starts to decrease. Your employees will know exactly what to do because your documents will be up to date, and everyone concerned will be informed about your policies and procedures and trained to act upon them. You will have a systematic way to know what is going well and where the problems are. All the problems you have will be recorded and dealt with in a streamlined way. You will have your top management informed, and you'll get their feedback quickly.